here it is. Word of Wisdom came to me on the 8th, July 8th, 2021. God is worthy, and the offering of gratefulness is well accepted. It proceedeth forth out of the mouth, but it's from the heart. So God is worthy, and the offering of gratefulness is well accepted. It proceedeth forth out of the mouth, but it is from the heart. Gratefulness is an offering. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Father, for saving me. Thank you, Father, for forgiving me of all my past sins. Whether it was yesterday, day before yesterday, thank you, Father. I confess, I repented, I forgave all who have hurt me and wronged me, and I know you forgive me my sins because your word is the truth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, I'm supposed to be grateful. So gratefulness is an offering. And that offering comes from your mouth. And it also comes from your action. Because if I was another word that hit me one day, like, let gratefulness fuel your faithfulness or something like that. Yeah, let gratefulness, being grateful, let gratefulness fuel your faithfulness. So yes, Lord, I thank you for forgiving me of my former sins, and I thank you so much. When this temptation come again, I'm going to fight. I ain't trying to entertain it by no means, because I am really thankful for what you did for me and clearing up this past transgression for me. So when it comes, that temptation is a problem. It's an enemy. It's a problem, and it's a snare. It's a stumbling block. No, but I'm thankful for what my God done for me. I ain't finna entertain it again. Let gratefulness fuel your faithfulness. And gratefulness is an offering well accepted by God, and it comes in the form of thanksgiving and praise out of your mouth. And then you can also line that up with your actions, moving forward.